iPhone 18 just got a huge upgrade, and Apple might not raise the price. Apple may have just solved one of the biggest complaints about its standard iPhones. A new report claims the upcoming iPhone 18 is getting a major RAM upgrade, and surprisingly, Apple could keep the same starting price. Here's everything you need to know. According to multiple supply chain reports, Apple is reportedly planning to increase the RAM on the standard iPhone 18 from 8 GB to 12 GB. This would be the first time Apple's base model gets this much memory, bringing it much closer to the Pro models. The reason? Artificial intelligence. Apple Intelligence features and future Siri upgrades require more memory to run efficiently on device, and 12 GB of RAM would give the iPhone 18 significantly more headroom for advanced AI tasks. What's even more interesting is the pricing. Despite rising memory costs worldwide and ongoing RAM shortages, Apple is reportedly considering absorbing the additional expense instead of passing it on to consumers. That means the iPhone 18 could launch at roughly the same starting price as its predecessor. For buyers, that's excellent news. You're potentially getting 50% more RAM without paying extra. The upgrade would also make the entire iPhone lineup more consistent, as rumors suggest Apple wants all iPhone 18 models to feature 12 GB of RAM. And that's not the only rumored improvement. The iPhone 18 is expected to feature Apple's next generation, a 20-chip built on a cutting-edge 2nm process, promising better performance and power efficiency. Other rumored upgrades include improved Apple Intelligence features, faster on-device AI processing, better multitasking performance, potentially a smaller dynamic island, enhanced battery efficiency thanks to the new chipset. If these rumors prove accurate, the standard iPhone 18 could become one of the biggest value upgrades Apple has offered in years. More RAM means better future-proofing, smoother multitasking, and a stronger foundation for Apple's growing AI ecosystem. And if Apple really keeps the price unchanged, it can make the iPhone 18 one of the most attractive upgrades for users holding on to older iPhones. Would 12 GB of RAM finally convince you to upgrade to the iPhone 18? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Apple leaks, smartphone news, and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.